Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by creating a new file sized 1920 x 1080 pixels at 72 dpi. Select RGB color mode for accurate screen colors and easier export. Set up a 12-column grid with 20px gutters for consistent layout control. Add guides marking a 120px header height and a 24px baseline grid for spacing. Choose base typography with body text at 16px and UI labels at 12pt for readable scaling. Save this file as your master artboard to keep consistent templates. Create additional artboards for responsive breakpoints at 1440, 768, and 375 pixels. Design modular sections using smart objects so components update everywhere. Apply an 8px base spacing system and use 24px for larger gutters and hero spacing. Keep buttons and inputs on separate layers and name them clearly for handoff. Export icons as SVG and UI images as PNG 24 or compressed JPEG, depending on photographic content. Use layer groups to organize header, hero, content, and footer sections for fast revisions. Create simple interactive prototypes by linking artboards and using layer comps for states and variations. Use file export as and generate image assets to produce labeled files like button primary. PNG and logo. SVG. Provide a style guide including hex colors, typography sizes, and a 12-column grid spec with 20px gutters. Supply CSS snippets showing font size, 16px, line height, 24px, and margin 24px to speed developer work. Zip the exported assets and include PSD with flattened comps for quick review.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.